I'm making money with a tool called Nano Banana AI, and you can literally copy my playbook. Last 30 days, $3,241 in profit, working about 2 hours a day, 3 streams, affiliate payouts, ad revenue from shorts, and a $9 digital template. Let me show proof, then the exact steps. I track everything in one sheet. Affiliate, $2,000 from PartnerStack. Affiliate, $2,000 from Impact. YouTube Shorts and Share, $681. Gumroad template, $550. Traffic came from 87 short-form clips and 2 roundup emails. Scripts, hooks, and titles, drafted by Nano Banana AI. Then I add my voice and post. Step 1. Pick a money-adjacent niche you understand. Examples: AI tools for Etsy sellers, Notion for students, budget travel hacks. Prompt: Nano Banana AI. Find 10 underserved sub-niches with buyer intent. Include pain points, keywords, and top affiliate programs. Pick one with high-intent keywords like best, verse, review, and templates. Step 2. Create a tiny offer you can sell at $519. I use a one-page checklist or template. Prompt: draft a one-page niche checklist with fill-in blanks. Keep it printable and actionable. Export as PDF. Post on Gumroad. Done. Step 3. Build your affiliate backbone. Join PartnerStack, Impact, and Amazon Associates. Collect 3-5 relevant offers with 10 to 30% commissions. Make a single link in bio page with template, top tools, and newsletter buttons. Step 4. Generate 30-50 short-form scripts fast. Prompt: Nano Banana AI. Write 30 hooks for niche targeting, keyword. Include 3 bullet tips and a 1-line CTA to my template. Use this talk track. Hook: 3 rapid tips, CTA. Grab the checklist in my bio. Keep it 18 to 28 seconds. Step 5. Batch titles, captions, and hashtags. Prompt: 50 YouTube Shorts titles under 60 characters with curiosity and a number. Post 2 to 3 per day to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Reels, and X. Step 6. Add light editing and clarity. Trim, auto captions, big text for the hook. Rule: the first 1.5 seconds must stop the scroll, question, contrarian claim, or mini demo. Step 7. Capture emails with a weekly roundup. Friday AI finds: 3 tools, 3 prompts, 1 template. Prompt: Nano Banana AI. Summarize the week's wins into a 150-word newsletter with 2 affiliate recs. Send via ConvertKit or BHIV. Step 8. Measure and double down. Track views at 24-72 hours, CTR, link clicks, and revenue. Promote winners twice with a new angle. Step 9. Scale with simple automations. New Gumroad buyer, tag in email, send onboarding. Block 1 hour to batch 10 scripts, 30 minutes to record, 30 to post. Copy this starter kit. Niche: AI for Etsy sellers. Template: Etsy SEO listing blueprint. 9. Affiliates: Marmalade, Everbee, Canva Pro.